Not too bad. How are you?
Absolutely fine, sir. Thanks for asking. Nowadays, we are running a New Year promotion offering you complete house duct cleaning at a flat price.
Oh, that'd be great.
So, sir, how many bedrooms do you have?
I have 4 bedrooms.
And what is the square feet?
2,500.
Okay, sir. So, 25. Okay, sir, for your house, it's a flat price of $120. And in this price, we will clean all the ducts, all the vents from top floor to the main floor. And after that, we are going to sanitize your duct system with the herbal sanitizer. It will kill all the germs.
That's awesome. When can you do that?
So, sir, may I know in which city are you residing?
Pardon me?
In which city are you residing?
I can't understand what you're saying.
Sir, in which city are you residing? I believe that you live in London, Ontario, right?
No, I live in Inwood.
Sorry, Inwood. Yes, sir. So Inwood, we are available tomorrow. So can let us know tomorrow what time we can come for the duct cleaning, morning, afternoon, or evening.
Morning would be good. What time?
Morning would be good. So morning, can we come 9 to 11?
Perfect.
Okay. So for the reservation purpose, can I have your name?
Tog. T-O-G.
Sorry?
T-O-G. Tog.
G-O-G.
T like Tom, O like Oscar, G like Grouch. Tog.
Okay, and what it does for and what was the like the house address?
Togwon. T-O-G-W-O-N. Fucking goof.
So actually right now we are running a promotion, so that's why we are offering you just one single flat rate for the whole house duct cleaning. So can you tell me how many bedrooms do you have on the top floor?
4.
Okay, and sir, any idea how many square feet of your house?
2,500.
Okay, no problem. So sir, we are going to charge of your house size just $130. Okay, 130. And sir, we have a complete package in this price. In this price, we will clean all the ducts, all the hot and cool air vents of your house from top to the basement. It really doesn't matter how many ducts and vents you have. We will clean all of them one by one, top floor, main floor, and in the basement. And after the service, we are providing you natural sanitization, which can remove all the germs and bacteria of your duct system. So just $130, you have to pay with the job is done when you have your satisfied with my work. Okay?
That's great.
Yeah, and let me know which city are you residing, and I will check my schedule for you.
Right on, man.
Yes, sir. Which city are you living?
Yeah.
Yeah, for what?
For what?
Which city are you living?
Inwood.
Right?
Inwood.
Okay, so can you give me a postal code?
N0N1K0.
N01
No, N0N.
N0N
That's right.
N0N
1K0.
1K0. Okay, just give me a moment. Sir, can you repeat that?
Pardon me?
Sir, can you repeat that? What is the postal code?
N0N1K0.
Sir, N for necklace?
Yep.
Okay, N0, after that, N.
N0N. Non. N0N.
Sir, N0M.
Same. N and N. There's no difference. N is the same as N.
Oh, N0N, 1K0.
Yes. Just like I said.
You live in Inwood?
Inwood, yep.
Oh.
Oh. What happened?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Why would I be kidding you? You called me, you fucking stupid fucking goof.
You fucking motherfucker.
How about you eat my shit, goof? I'm gonna fuck your grandma.
Motherfucker.
I'm gonna fuck your grandma and your dog, you fucking piece of shit.
You know you're a big motherfucker. I want to fuck your sister. Motherfucker.
Yeah, but I'm gonna fuck your dog and your grandma. Eh? You fucking goof. Isn't that classy? Eh? Classy fella.
I'll just get you.